Tracking task progress in Folk CRM is crucial for any business looking to streamline its workflow and stay on top of its projects. In this quick guide, we're going to walk you through how to easily track tasks, monitor progress, and keep everything organized in Folk CRM. If you're new to Folk CRM, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use this feature to maximize your productivity and stay ahead of deadlines. First things first, you should know that Folk CRM is designed to keep all your business contacts, leads, and tasks in one place. With its intuitive design, tracking task progress is as simple as it gets. When you start using Folk CRM, you'll notice the tasks are integrated into the same place where you manage your contacts. This is perfect for keeping track of not only what needs to be done, but also when it's due, which tasks are assigned to whom, and whether or not a task has been completed. Once you've created a task, you can easily set deadlines, assign it to team members, and even prioritize it. One of the easiest ways to track the progress is by adding tags or labels, so you know instantly the status of each task, whether it's in progress, completed, or still pending. But here's where Folk CRM really stands out. The system automatically updates the task status in real time as your team works on it. You don't have to manually update the progress yourself. Folk CRM does the heavy lifting, so you can focus on what's next. Whether you're assigning tasks to team members or working on your own projects, this automatic progress tracking feature saves you time and effort. For a deeper view of the task progress, Folk CRM allows you to use its Kanban-style boards. This visual layout gives you a clear view of where each task stands, and with drag-and-drop functionality, you can move tasks through stages effortlessly. So, if you have a project that involves several steps, you can visualize how far along each task is from start to finish. Another powerful feature is the task reminders and notifications. If a task is nearing its deadline, you'll receive an alert, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. This is a game changer for staying on top of tasks and managing your workflow. Now, as you're watching this, you might be wondering, how can I get started? Well, you can try Folk CRM for free by clicking the link below. We've partnered with them to offer you an exclusive extended trial. By signing up through this link, you'll get access to all the premium features without spending a dime. An opportunity to see how this tool can work wonders for your business and its task management needs. One more thing to keep in mind is that Folk CRM's task progress tracking isn't just limited to individual tasks. You can also get an overview of multiple tasks by using their reporting tools. This allows you to track the overall performance of your team, see if any bottlenecks are happening, and make data-driven decisions to improve your workflow. If you're in a team setting, the ability to collaborate on tasks and monitor progress together is invaluable. Folk CRM ensures that you're not only staying organized individually, but also as a team. To wrap things up, remember that tracking task progress in Folk CRM is simple, efficient, and designed to make your workflow smoother. From automatic status updates to intuitive task tracking with visual boards, this software is built to help you stay on top of everything. And again, don't forget, click the first link below for your exclusive extended trial of Folk CRM. Thanks for watching, and don't miss out on that free trial to make task tracking even easier.